Why don't senior bicycles need a kickstand? Because they're always recumbent. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best recumbent exercise bike for seniors. Tip 1. Understand your needs. The best recumbent exercise bike for seniors depends largely on your specific needs and physical condition. Before shopping, consider any physical limitations or health conditions you may have. For instance, if you have knee or back issues, you might need a bike with extra support or padding. Do you need it to be easy to mount and dismount? Would you prefer a bike that offers various levels of resistance? Tip 2. Research the brands. There are many brands available in the market, and it could be overwhelming to choose one without prior research. Look for brands known for their durability, excellent customer service, and solid warranties. Schwinn, Exaputic and Marcy are among the best brands for recumbent bikes. Tip 3. Consider comfort. Seniors should prioritize comfort when choosing a recumbent exercise bike. Look for a model with a comfortable, adjustable seat and pedals that are easy to reach. The handlebars should also be easy to grip, and the bike should be stable and not wobble when it is being used. Tip 4. Check reviews. Reading reviews from other customers can give you a good sense of what to expect from the product. Look for reviews from seniors or those who purchased the bike for elderly relatives to get a better idea of its ease of use and comfort. Tip 5. Look for a low step-through design. The best recumbent exercise bike for seniors is easy to get on and off. A low step-through design is ideal because it allows you to simply walk onto the bike's frame without stepping over it. Tip 6. Look for a bike with easy-to-read display. As we age, our vision can often decline, so it's crucial to find a bike with a clear, easy-to-read display. This will help seniors to monitor things like speed, distance traveled, calories burned, and heart rate. Tip 7. Prioritize safety features. Models with non-slip pedals and a sturdy stability frame can help prevent accidents during your workouts. Also, an emergency stop capability can be a life-saving feature in certain situations. Tip 8. Resistance levels. Look for a bike with a wide range of resistance levels. This allows for customized workouts and progress over time. As your fitness level increases, you can challenge yourself with higher resistance levels. Tip 9. Size. Seniors should also consider the size of the bike. Recumbent exercise bikes should be compact so they can fit in your space without becoming cumbersome, but it also needs to be large enough to be stable during use. Tip 10. Assembly and delivery. Some recumbent bikes can be quite heavy and difficult to assemble. Check if delivery includes assembly, or if you'll need to do it yourself. It might be worth paying a bit extra for delivery and assembly, particularly if you're not physically able to do it yourself. Tip 11. Price. Finally, consider your budget. Prices for recumbent exercise bikes can vary widely, and while a higher price often equates to better quality, there are also many affordable options that offer excellent benefits. Decide how much you're willing to spend before you start shopping and stick to your budget.